Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to turn any gift card, any prepaid Visa, MasterCard directly into cash. How to deposit those into a bank account. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on this video, I was inspired to make this video, because holiday season coming up, and a lot of birthdays coming up, and people sometimes they get gift cards. Sometimes they get gift cards to Target, or they might get a Visa gift card for $100, and you might not necessarily want to buy nothing with it using the credit card. You might want to just get the cash and deposit it to your bank account. And this could go for any time you get a gift card or a prepaid Visa card. You could win a competition. You could maybe get a rebate, like what happened with me. Like, I had bought this iPhone with Xfinity, and then they sent me a $250 gift card, but I had cashed it in through this app. So I just want to show y'all, if you get any type of gift card, prepaid card, how to turn it into cash, how to deposit it directly into your bank account. And you do that by using an app called Prepaid2CASH. Now, this app, Prepaid2CASH, this app is available on the iOS and is also available on the Android. And you see it allows you to easily access your prepaid card or gift card funds, pay your bills, save up for a vacation, do whatever you want. Prepaid to cash has the lowest fees. You can get it the next day or within 4 to 5 business days. If you choose next day, it's a fee, but they really deposit that shit like overnight. Like, I did it. I'm gonna show you how I did it, but I had got deposited like the next day. So you see, you basically scan your card with the information. You pick a time, whether you want it next day or within 4 to 5 business days, and then you pick a place, where you want it to drop. They support multiple bank accounts. So we about to get into it. I'm gonna log into this real quick for y'all, and I'm gonna show you. All right, y'all can see I'm logged in. Now you can see my most recent transaction. It got approved. It dropped it off in my Chase account. So you see how this works. All you would have to do, look, the same day it was pending, then it got approved. I sent it in at 3:14. It got approved by 5 o'clock. Right, it got approved by 5:52, and I got it on the 22nd. I got the deposit on the 22nd, like that night, at midnight. So you can see, you could just go to add a new transaction, and then you could, put your prepaid card or your gift card here, and you just link up your information in your profile. Once you link it up in your profile, you could basically your bank account information in your profile. But you just do a new transaction. Whether you got a prepaid card, you can click on prepaid card, continue, then the camera pop up for you to scan it. If it's the gift card, you just go to continue, over 100 brands. Gift card merchant, you see it's a lot. AMC, AutoZone, Barnes and Nobles. They got a lot of different companies they work with. Chili's, Domino's Pizza, Finish Line, GameStop, Home Depot. Some of everybody, man. Lowe's, Nike, Red Lobster. Damn, they got everybody. Taco Bell, TJ Maxx, Victoria's Secret, Walmart. They work with a lot of the major. Old Navy. These gift cards you would get, like you would get a gift card from Marshall's or Macy's. You would get a gift card from shit like Home Depot and GameStop, Dunkin' Donuts. They got everybody on here. But you would just select the merchant, then you would enter in your ID information, bam, and you good. So yeah, this is how you get money for any gift card, any, you know what I'm saying, anything, man. Any gift card, any prepaid card, that's how you get money for it. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.